Pero pag-iyaw ng mga mga player, ang magtatakbo lang sa komitistibo. Happy viewing! Idol! Happy viewing! Idol ba? Kamusta ka na? Play ka na? Di tayo rin. Okay, ready? Kaperos.
Variantos tayo din on yan.
Buat tayo yung doon. Ayaw dyan.
Nakuha ni Roy. Number 43. Crossing the headline.
Just a player.
Roy. Bigger by Kay. Kutangan. Kumarinay. Ripachak shoot. Maria 3-4. Lodri, Tumarina, Rosin Kitchen, Maria, Lodri, Mandali Srio, Totaman, execute. Sorry naman. Technical. By Jaku. Ini dia tertarik. Sorry naman. Fabulous. Fortunati. Number 24 to number 21 to 24. Nice by number 3 Barrientos. Maria dibalik sini kalau dia yang ini Maria itu di atas bayi yang back to Maria, back to Roy. Jack ball, fabulous ball. Baseline rebound, number 24 to number 21. Bonya, crossing ke sebelah Bonya. Di atas bayi Roy.
Antes.
Ano ba?
Number 40. Number 40, Taman. First to the ball, first to the team. Ball shot by number 9, Baguio. Ball shot by Baguio, straight to is out. Rebound by Taman. So Roy. Tony Suta, finalin. Rebound. Number 3, Daddy Boy. First personal foul and first for team. 2 free throw, awarded to Roy. First time, late figure. First try is up. Second try, Rio Jumpers. It's good. So make a 1 point by Roy. Foul by Sagan, number 10. Lucky foul by number 10. Toman, first personal foul and second for team. Sideline rebound, number 24. Okay, Tomona, number 21.
Ito naman.
Rebound by Tomona. Tingnan sa Barrientos, Roy. Rosin sa hinterline. Roy. Tuloy na ba? Nice shot by Onya, attention sa line. Side check, Ranisa, isa, rebound by Aquani Marinay. Marinay, crossing the center line. Foul, Castro by Dave. Number 25. Two shots by last ball position. First try is good. Sideline rebound, Minnesota. Five to shoot. Tama, tingnan ready.
Wala na, wala na.
Derek Stanley. Bagita, dengan kaya sana. Soalnya, kaya ini. Mariani, Rikoja, Isau, Lasa, Green, Take 5, Take 5. Ang score natin, 8-6. Favor, 7 Sunday. Pulito. Crossing the center line, Pulito. To line. Pulito, to line. Take the shot. It's out. Rebound by number 15. Alright.
Yes! Basket! Basket! Basket!
Net comeback, sabi ko.
Break basket!
Basket eh. Arat lang.
Sobra, sobra, sobra!
Line. It's out.
Hey!
Bitanes. Crossing the center line. Bitanes. Tinigras by Pulito. To Palumo. Nakuha ni number 16. Orosio. Wala. Rebound. Number 21. Tutangan. Number 14. Tutangan. Basket. Nasa foul. Oscar Webb. Number 5. First personal foul and third for the team. Ball shot by number 14, Saman. It's out. Last shot. Fabio Strade. Bitanes. Ranisa is good. Biganes. Total.
Pass!
Malakas. Limang bekahan. Nakuha niya ang 15.
Yes!
Foul na tayo. Biganes. Number 7. Second foul. Second foul. Sideline down, Ulay, Comarusio, number 16.
Hey!
Turnover.
Hey, nabuti mo yung bola!
Bolero. Number 42, Tejan, isap. Apanitan. Tan, Derecho, Leo, isap. Iwan ay number 42. Putin ako. Isap.
Ano?
Dalawa na lang po ang ring. 20. 21 to number 7. Back to number 21. 10 to Taman. To Palubo. Is out. Rebound by number 42. Allowing rebound. Sayang. Nakanakaw na sana.
Bola!
Nakuha ni Ulay.
Lalim, lalim.
Number 32. Tiago. Selen Santiago. Palubo. Tupicanes. Rosing kasi ka lang. Yung mga mga Tupicanes. So, number 13.
Baba! Baba!
Rekta, rekta na lang.
Intercept by Tupicanes. Tupicanes. Tutaman. Bialik. Yes. Pulido.
Nice one!
Wala. Rebound. Nakuha niya. Nakuha niya. Totaman. Bawat pasok. Number 7. First personal foul. Third for the team. Wasting 5. Foul ang isa. Last throw by Taman. Next to the look. Isa. Ready to start. Nakuha niya. Mamadali. Uminaw. Tingnan sa kanya. Tumbaliero. kumenta rin yan. Number 2, Lengua. First, Lengua. First national talent, pick for the team. Biganes, Loruli. Jabia, Isao. Isao, nakawali sa kanina. Tomay, Isao. Manito. Biganes, Tinggalin. Loruli. Jejak, Isao, rebound by Kapuan.
Oh! Ay! Ay!
Lasa, Fabios Friday. Paul Basarion.
Ayan, luto, luto.
2 free throw awarded to Marina.
Bakit ang pulang tawag sa kabila, walang tawag?
First personal foul and 6 for the lead. Second drive by Marina. It's out. Rebound by Yutuan. Ability rebound by Yutuan to Marina. Jejak, it's out. Rebound. Pushing foul by Osvaldo. Foul on number 3. Danny
Tense ang team. Tense ang team.
Ayan, ayan, ayan! Ayan! Hindi nilabas to. Hindi nilabas to.
Walo lang sila, walo.
Rolling. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Rolling out. Kumarinay. Tonya. Tonya out.
Hindi pwedeng kumain.
Hanggang sa ilalim na lang kayong dalawa. Hindi kayo ako.
Hindi nga abot, ayaw mo tumawag na rin. Grabe.
Pero at least wala naman nandun pa sa likod. Tapik nga kanina eh. Tama yun.
Ball shot by Tonya.
Nice one!
Marinay. Tutangan. Torre. Nakuha niya ng free throw. Biganes. Tumarinay. Nice pass. Nice shot. Nice shot. Violation by Ball shot. Isa, dalawa, ay corner. Foul ang kanan. Number 24, foul. Penalty. Timeout. Fabulous Friday. Favors the foul and penalty. First prize by Picanes. Late zero. Second prize, radio covers by Picanes. Picanes is out. Way back by. Last green. Okay.